If you drink this 1 hour before bed, you will eliminate all the fat that you ate the day before. Fat accumulation is the worst enemy of women who want to lose weight quickly. The rolls that come in the belly, back, arms and legs are a nightmare for many. Especially the fat of the legs and belly is very difficult to eliminate, but not impossible. With the right techniques we can end it quickly and without much effort. In this article we will tell you what you can do to burn that fat in the blink of an eye. In the market there are many products that promise to make us burn fat in a short time. But we know that, in most cases, that is pure propaganda. In addition, it has been proven that laxative products have a better effect on weight loss. Now, when we mix both products burn fat with laxatives, we get incredible results. Also, it should be noted that, at night, the body tends to burn the fat accumulated during the day. However, we can accelerate that process with a very simple technique. This technique stimulates the digestive system and speeds up the metabolism during sleep. Pay attention to what you will need to prepare this fat-burning remedy. Drink to burn fat while we sleep. What we will need: cinnamon sticks 1 unit, vinegar 1 tablespoon, parsley 1 bunch, lemon 1 unit, honey or ginger powder 1 tablespoon, water 1/2 liter. Preparation and use: making this powerful drink is extremely easy and does not require much time. To start, we will pour the water in a pot and we will put it to boil. When it reaches the boiling point, we add the other ingredients. Let the mixture boil for a reasonable time and put out the fire and let cool. Finally, filter the mixture and put it in a container with a lid. Every night before bed, we will have a cup of this powerful slimming drink. As a result, while we sleep, we will lose weight without even realizing it. Do not wait any longer to lose those extra pounds while you sleep. Start this very night to drink this drink and you will be surprised by its effects. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.